75% of the world's tigers live in India. Every 4 years, the number of tigers, our national animal, is counted. The 2022 Tiger Census result was declared in April 2023 and the results are positive. The number of tigers in India has increased by 200 from 2,967 in 2018 to 3,167 in 2022. Let's understand the tiger conservation and its need, number of tiger reserves in India and the International Big Cats Alliance IBCA. Welcome to Pathanti, Gyan Ka Microdose. Why do we need to conserve tigers? Let's see. So this is not a new concept but thousands of years old wisdom to conserve tigers and jungles. There were 40,000 tigers in the country at the time of the independence, but the numbers decreased to less than 2,000 by 1970 due to their widespread hunting and poaching. So much so that the International Union for Conservation of Nature declared the tiger as an endangered species. Project Tiger was launched by the Government of India on 1st April 1973. 50 years of Project Tiger. The Project Tiger has expanded from 9 tiger reserves covering 18,278 kilometers in 1973 to 54 reserves covering more than 75,000 square kilometers. Project Tiger is centrally sponsored scheme of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The National Tiger Conservation Authority or NTCA is a statutory body under this ministry. It was established in 2006 with primary focus on tiger conservation. Do you know that tigers live in 5 different types of biogeographical regions in India? Shivalik Gangetic Plains, Central India and Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, Northeastern Hills and Brahmaputra flood plains and the Sundarbans. In 2023, there are 54 tiger reserves in India. Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand was the first national park of India. It was among the first 9 tiger reserves declared in India in 1973. Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh have the highest number of tiger reserves in the country, 6 each. Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve in Andhra Pradesh is the largest tiger reserve in India. Bor Tiger Reserve in Maharashtra is the smallest tiger reserve in the country. Microdose. India launched the International Big Cats Alliance or IBCA on 9th April 2023. IBCA will focus on the protection and conservation of 7 major big cats of the world including tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, puma, jaguar and cheetah, with membership of the 97 range countries where these animals live. Finally, about our national animal, tiger. Panthera tigris tigris is the scientific name of our national animal, tiger. There are 9 different subspecies of the tiger in the world. The Indian race, the Royal Bengal tiger, is also found in the neighboring countries Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. From 9 subspecies of tigers in the world, 3 of them have gone extinct. Caspian tiger, Bali tiger and the Javan tiger. Remaining subspecies, 6 subspecies are Bengal tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, Malayan tiger, Siberian tiger also known as Amur tiger which is the largest species of tiger, South China tiger and Sumatran tiger which is the smallest species of tiger. Microdose. That's all about tigers and their conservation in India. Did you know in 2022 not a single one-horned rhino was killed by poachers in India? Watch here. Thanks for your time.